Have you ever heard of people talking about ChatGPT or AI, but you just don't know where to start? On today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to start using AI without getting confused. Welcome to Start What You Love, and I'm your host, where I help you get started with things that you love to do. Today, we're going to start simple. You don't need to know all the technical words. You don't even need to be a computer expert. You just need to learn how to ask ChatGPT one simple thing. The easiest way to start using ChatGPT is more like a helper, not a robot, not even something scary, just a helper you can ask questions to. The key is don't start with big complex things. Start with something you do already. All right, let's start with example one. Create an email. Let's say you need to do an email and you don't know how to word it. Or you like me and you just don't know how to word it. Go to ChatGPT and type this. Help me reword this email. Put whatever it is you want in the email. Hi, I'm having a great day. Thank you for responding. Unfortunately, I won't be able to take this meeting at 4 o'clock. This will be too late for me, whatever the whole case may be. Tell ChatGPT to reword that email and watch the magic. If you still don't like it or need a little tweaks, tell ChatGPT exactly what tweaks you need and then watch the magic again. The thing is, the more you start playing with it, the more you're going to get in love with it, the more you'll get better with it. Then, after you're done and you love the email, copy, paste, there's your email. Okay, so the next thing, we're going real live examples. Ask ChatGPT to help you understand something. Let's say someone keeps talking about a certain AI and you just don't know what to do or don't even know what to start. You can type in ChatGPT, explain this, whatever that thing is that you really want to learn, and tell it to give it to me in simple 5th grade level. Now that you have that, that should be a clear understanding of whatever that topic or that thing was. The next thing we're going to do, tell ChatGPT to just help you plan your day. Maybe you're feeling frustrated because you're doing a whole bunch of things at once and you really want to use time management in order to get more things started. Type this into ChatGPT. ChatGPT, help me get my day started. Or ChatGPT, help me consolidate my day so I can get more accomplished, and watch the magic. All right, this is the last one. Hopefully I've shown you that ChatGPT can be a friend and even help you out on things that you really don't understand. This will be another idea. You want to start a business, but you don't know where to start, but you do know something about where to get started? Type this into ChatGPT. Hey, these are the things I like. What are a good business idea for me? And watch the magic. Tell it to give you 5 business ideas. Also tell it to give you 5 business names. So this is a quick recap. So here's the quickest way to get started using AI and ChatGPT. Even if you don't know where to start, you can ask it help you with small things, ask it help you with messages. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can ask. But all you have to do is first ask. If this video has helped you, please like, subscribe, comment, even share it out to someone that you think is going to be opposed to using AI or open to AI and just don't know where to start. If you want to get started but don't know where to start and you want me to help you get started on your journey, I have a link for a 15-minute Zoom call where I can sit down with you and we can come up with business ideas or just where to get started on your journey. Remember, you don't have to learn all AI today. You just need to ask the first question and let that start your confidence journey. I want you to have a great rest of the day. See you on the next one.